There he is, or no? Oh, that was awesome. I hope this camera's on. Not very big. Actually quite small. But it is lunchtime on a Friday. So this is where it gets a little, oh, he's bigger than I thought. There he goes. I'm gonna go ahead and release him down the float. So he has some water to swim in. And I really hope this video is working. Ooh, that was fun. Kind of feel like a dork narrating this. Hopefully no big sharks will come and get me. Oh, please tell me that was recording. Oh boy or no. 7-hour car ride. That's all I gotta say. I'll be down here in 7 hours. Probably less, actually. Alright, let's go get another one. Something big move. Yeah, there's one. He got it. Oh, he's got it. Oh, he's little. Oh, he's little. Oh, don't go under the dock. I don't like when you go under the dock. You went under the dock. Don't go around the piling. Alright, we're gonna try a big lift. Hopefully this won't break my rod or the line. Don't like doing this, but ooh, man. Come on. Ugh. God, right in the corner of the mouth. There we go. We're gonna get him back in the water real quick.